Hello, this is day 8 of the 14, and today I wish to talk about our electromagnetic fields. I've told you already, I'm Johanna or Donna Kleipol from the Netherlands, and I have made a very special video series, Master Your Energy, in which you can learn to work with your own energy fields. And I tell you step by step how to do it. I've made it in such a way that you can do it now independently of me, of anyone. You can do it at home. You don't need to leave your home. You don't need to leave your family, your children or nothing. You can do it at any moment when you want. And you can watch the videos as many times as you wish. So that is already a huge advantage. So I want to tell you how important it is to clean your energy fields and clean them in all times and spaces at the same time. Because we have collected so much charge of all the experiences we have gone through that it is important to get rid of it. Really in a very smooth way and in a quick way. It takes you at the end 2 minutes to clean your energy fields. It takes you a little while to learn it, but it is so easy and children can do it. I've done it with children as from 7 years old, and they understand it very quickly and they do it very quickly. So I think anyone can do it, really. So the importance of cleaning our fields is really essential. And I like to explain you that we don't have one star tetrahedron, not one of these forms around us, but 3. They are exactly the same size. They are in the same space, position. The physical body has one, the emotional body and the mental one. They all 3 need to be cleaned regularly, really. As well as we are cleaning our physical body, we also will clean our emotional and mental body, and we will feel so much better. And once they are really clean, I've explained it already, then you are well balanced and healthy on all levels. So let's go on with the videos tomorrow, the next one. Bye bye.